Hey everyone, welcome back to Autodynamic, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're talking about something completely unexpected, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Pickup Truck. Yes, Rolls-Royce, the pinnacle of luxury, is stepping into the pickup game, and they're doing it in the most extravagant way possible. For years, Rolls-Royce has defined automotive luxury with their sedans and SUVs, but now they're taking that same craftsmanship and opulence and applying it to a segment no one saw coming. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Imagine a pickup with the presence of a Phantom, the capability of a high-end SUV, and the refinement of a private jet. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce is expected to offer their legendary 6.75L twin-turbo V12, delivering effortless power and that signature, wafting, driving experience. But there are also rumors of an all-electric variant, potentially featuring the same cutting-edge EV technology found in the Spectre, offering insane torque, silent operation, and an ultra-smooth ride. The design? Nothing short of spectacular. The front grille remains unmistakably Rolls-Royce, with the iconic spirit of ecstasy leading the way. Expect a massive, sculpted body with a long, premium finished cargo bed, possibly featuring teak wood decking, inspired by luxury yachts. And because this is Rolls-Royce, you can bet on suicide doors, a completely bespoke interior, and materials that redefine what a pickup can be. Inside, it's first-class luxury. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, hand-stitched to perfection. The Starlight headliner, reclining seats, and champagne cooler make it clear, this is a Rolls-Royce first and a truck second. The dashboard features next-gen AI-powered infotainment, a fully digital cockpit, and an immersive sound system tailored to perfection. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing every moment in absolute comfort. On the road, Rolls-Royce's legendary air suspension ensures the ride is as smooth as ever, even if you decide to take this luxury beast off-road. And with an advanced all-wheel drive system, this truck isn't just for show, it's built to handle any terrain while keeping its passengers in complete serenity. Now, let's talk about the price. It's ultra-exclusive, ultra-luxurious, and guaranteed to be the most outrageous pickup truck ever built. So, what do you think? Does the world need a Rolls-Royce pickup, or is this luxury taken too far? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Autodynamic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.